In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Monday.com to Microsoft Teams. To get started, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Make sure you're signed into the correct Teams account first, since this is where you'll be adding the app and accessing your workspaces later. Once Teams is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the Apps section. This area is where you can browse and install integrations that extend what Teams can do, including project management tools like Monday.com. Click on Apps and then use the search bar to look for Monday.com. As you type, Teams should start showing matching results. When you see the Monday.com app appear, select it to open the app page. This page usually gives you a quick overview of what the app does and how it connects with Microsoft Teams. So it can be helpful to pause for a second and confirm that you've chosen the right app before moving on. Next, click Add or Install, depending on which button appears in your version of Teams. This begins the setup process and adds the Monday.com integration to your Teams environment. If your organization has app permissions or approval settings in place, you may need to wait for confirmation before the app becomes fully available. That's normal, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Once the app is added, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Monday.com account. Go ahead and complete the sign in process using your normal Monday.com login method. If a browser window opens, just follow the prompts and then return to Teams when the authentication is complete. This connection is what allows Teams to access your Monday.com content securely from within the app. After signing in, the final step is to choose the board or workspace you want to use inside Teams. This is important because it determines which Monday.com content you'll be able to view or work with directly in the Teams interface. Take a moment to select the correct board or workspace for your project, department, or team so everything is organized from the start. Once that's done, Monday.com will be connected inside Microsoft Teams and ready to use. If you manage multiple boards or workspaces, it's a good idea to double check that you selected the right one before sharing it with others. And if something doesn't load right away, try refreshing Teams or reopening the app. That's it. You've successfully added Monday.com to Microsoft Teams and connected the board or workspace you want to use.